people here are looking for ways to pull ahead of their competition? You're in business looking for ways to pull ahead of your competition. Raise your hand, please. See, we can't talk about adding value until we know what the differentiation model is. So instead of explaining it to you, I want to ask you if you recall one of the, I think, the best movies of 1985, Back to the Future. Anybody remember that movie? Good, very good. Nancy, thank you. Back to the Future 1985 movie. What happened? Michael J. Fox, back in time from 85 to 55. Anybody remember that scene? He stumbles on a what? A Texaco station, remember? Right? And what happened then? 4 people ran into the car on full service. Anybody remember that? In 1985. All right, now, let's assume that we are no longer in various industries. Let's assume that we are, how about Texaco dealers? And it's no longer 2007, it's 1955. And we want our market share. We want to sell our product for a higher price. Sound familiar? What are we going to do? Well, we're trying to talk about this model in the context of Back to the Future. Now again, it's 1955. We're all Texaco dealers. We convene the conference because we want more market share. We want to sell our product for a higher price. What are we going to do? A hand goes up.
When we have quality gasoline.
Very good, very good. Why don't we have quality gasoline? It's a standing ovation. Excellent, nicely done. My question to you, would having the best gasoline give us a competitive advantage in 1955? Who says yes? Who says no? Very good. Commonly held perception, finish the sentence. Gas is what? Gas is gas. Even though objectively perhaps we have a better quality gasoline, commonly held perception, gas is gas. You're a Texaco dealer, or you're not, sir? Texaco dealer. Just stay with me if you would, please. Very good. It's 1955. You're frustrated because you're not getting market share. You want to sell your product for a higher price. Show me, if you would, sir, frustration. Let's see more frustration. That's good. That's good. All right, that's good. You're frustrated. You've heard this conversation go on. You've heard this nice lady here say we ought to have the best quality. We do have, but that's not going to give us competitive advantage. Let's see more frustration, buddy. More frustration. More. Get it up. That's good. Okay, now, you say, wait a minute. You have an idea. What should we do?
Why don't we have four people full service in the car?
Oh, very good. Now, very good. In order for us to differentiate our product and service, why don't we have 4 people in the car on full service in 1955? Interesting point. How many people think if we were to do that in 1955, that would give us a competitive advantage? If you believe that, applaud, please. If you think that would give us, good. All right, good. Thank you very much. You made that case nicely, sir. Very good. How many people think, wait, it would not give us competitive advantage in 1955? Who says no? Nancy, why wouldn't that give us competitive advantage?
Because everybody was doing it.
Now, Eliza, let's assume for the purposes of this brief conversation we're having that you're knocking on the door of a home. You're the install person. And as you're knocking on the door, I want you to just say to the person with a zero affect, I'm going to put on my booties before I come in, but no affect at all right? Okay, say it if you will, please.
I'm going to put on these booties before I come in.
All right, core or outer core? Okay, very cool. This is, okay, now, this is working. You get me over? Okay, so what? Look over there. Okay, good. So let's assume, if you will, I want you to now to do it in a way on the WOWEDFactor scale. What you want to convey to that person is that home is as important to that person as you. Say the same thing.
Hello, I'm here to do your home installation, and to make sure that I don't get your carpets or floors dirty, I went ahead and brought some booties, so we'll keep your house nice and clean for you.
Thank you very much.